when we talk about the credibility of Raza Pahlavi,
Yeah.
isn't he the most credible opposition currently against Khomeini?
No. He is absolutely
No, he's
is
not.
only promoted by the
He's-
American.
he's
The
no.
same of the Shah, the king of the son of the king of the Afghanistan. When they wanted to topple Bin Laden, they sent him with cases of dollars to go and bribe the tribe leaders
The
there and
Taliban,
warlords.
yeah.
This is a game plan.
No, I think,
Yes, go ahead.
I think the important point is what day after. Like if you have a regime change, and like I said, the institutions are strong, they're well established, well organized. It's not that you can just displace it as happened in Iraq. Iraq, there was a wholesale change in the system. Saddam and everybody, the military. There was a purge.
Yeah.
In Iran, you can't have a purge. It did
Why?
not happen in '79.
Ah.
See, Khomeini, when he landed from France, within the first week, the Iranian army changed sides and welcomed Khomeini and vowed support to Khomeini, which did not stop him from still executing some of their senior officers.
Oh, he killed many of them.
Then they started the IRGC as a counter to the Artesh, the regular army.
But
the
I believe the IRGC is now on
The
the
regular
streets.
guards.
IRGC is on the streets in the West.
Huh.
The playbook goes something like
Somewhat
this.
similar to what
There's a
happened.
Persian area and then there's the non-Persian areas. In the Persian areas, it's usually the police and the anti-riot troops, where the engagement is a little more softy. I mean, it's harsh, but not as brutal as we
compared
see
to
in the
IRGC.
Kurdish areas.
Okay.
The Kurdish areas also have arms coming in from Iraq. So there the IRGC is much more in play. It happened in 2022. It's happening again now. We are not getting reports of number of deaths. And like you mentioned,
These are humanitarian groups
These
because
are-
nobody really can identify
They are motivated
how many
also.
dead. Yeah, so
Some of them are
nobody
padded
knows.
numbers
So
as
when
well.
we
sides have lost
when we
life.
look at the system cannot be thrown away with baby and the bathwater.
Excellent. Just to zoom out
So
on what you
maybe
said.
we'll not have a regime change.
Yes.
I say we may have a change within the regime.
Exactly.
Because the regime is not uniform.
Yes.
There are factions.
There's a
there
devolution
are
of powers
moderates.
over there, yes.
Masood Pezeshkian, the present president, is an Azeri, and he's a moderate.
Yeah.
Before him was Raisi, who was a hardliner. Before him was Rouhani, who was again a pragmatist, during which time we concluded the nuclear deal. And Iran was preparing to open up to the world. And then Donald Trump comes and tears up
And
the
he
treaty.
tears up the treaty. Yes,
And
yes.
reimposes sanctions. So if the Iranians say, can we trust you, the Americans, they have a point. I mean, it's a fact.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा।
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है।
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप।
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI, it does not lie.